Hi guys, good morning. Stu Hill here with Chem Digital. Wrote a blog post this morning around Follow Up Boss. I've had a lot of conversations in the last week or so about different real estate CRMs, and particularly how that pertains to having a WordPress real estate website. So obviously out of the closed loop that you enter into with one of the leased platforms such as Chime or Real Estate Webmasters or let's see, KV Core, for example. So a lot of those systems, Real Geeks, Sierra Interactive, just naming a few as they come to mind here. So those guys, you end up in a closed loop system that they're template based websites. So allowing users to just kind of put in any code that they want to, can cause strain on the system and potentially harm to the system if that hasn't been vetted. So the closed down loops, it's kind of like an Apple phone, right? Like you can do on that phone what Apple allows you to do. If you want to custom program it, if you want to make it do all the things that you want it to do, that's not possible without this sort of jailbreaking, where you can extend its capabilities to your heart's content. That segues into WordPress real estate websites and you as the owner of the WordPress real estate website. And because WordPress is open source, you are allowed to do whatever you want to do with that website. So that way it can grow with your business. This is the reason why companies like Zillow and other top real estate websites are built on the WordPress platform, because it offers a robust solution. I think somewhere around 40% now of all websites on the internet are WordPress based, which is massive. If you think, if you as a real estate agent thought if you have 40% market share of the community, I mean that's ridiculous. It's a solid, well-used platform. Their developer base, they're focused a lot on speed now. That's the new thing. So the code's got a lot better in recent years. It's a lot faster. Page speed insights, while they're not the be-all and end-all when it comes to SEO, it's possible to get a WordPress website to score 100% across the board in terms of SEO, accessibility, user experience, and the speed of the website. So you can kind of check all of those boxes off that Google's looking for in way of rankings and user experience for the results that are presented there. So then it brings you to the question of what CRM do you use with your WordPress IDX real estate website? Where do you want those leads to go? I mean, you can go the simple route with iHome Finder has a CRM built into their IDX solution. So everything's kind of in one place there. There are lower cost solutions such as our IMAX CRM, our sister company, and then also Lion Desk, inexpensive. You could go the free route with HubSpot. My personal favorite at the moment is Follow Up Boss. There's quite a few. I put some pros and cons here in this blog post, but the user experience is clean and easy. It's quite. I don't know if you're familiar with HubSpot, if you've looked at that, but it's a very modern sort of drag and drop kind of interface. It's intuitive. They can Follow Up Boss will integrate with pretty much any website, any tool. The lead management capabilities are fantastic. Their training is fantastic. The customer service is fantastic. So all of those things have been working well. And I'm happy to recommend Follow Up Boss to our clients. as a solution that would work for them, whether they're on WordPress or whether their real estate website is kind of hosted somewhere else. So I've delved into a bit of detail here, and with some frequently asked questions about Follow Up Boss. So check out the blog post. If you got any questions, please feel free to visit our website, chem.digital. Right here on the top corner, you can request a free consultation. If you've got any questions about your CRM system, IDX, real estate websites, the different platforms, we've been doing this for 20 years now. So we know all of our competitors, we know all of the products that are on the market, and we can happily kind of go into the details of the pros and cons that as far as your business goes. Not every CRM is right for Follow Up Boss isn't right for everybody, but it does check a lot of the boxes. It's certainly one that I would recommend, but the best CRM is the one that you use. And in order to use the CRM, you need leads coming in, you need tasks that have been created for you to go through and do those, make those calls, that you're thinking, I should follow up with that person. The CRM will help you engage. It'll stop you, having leads slip through the crack. It'll help you track your KPIs, so speed to lead, things like that, and make yourself a better salesperson. If you found this video useful or any of my blog posts useful, please do like the video on YouTube, subscribe to the channel for further updates on real estate marketing, or subscribe to our blog as well. We do have 111,000 real estate agents that read my blog posts. Well, subscribe to my blog posts on a daily basis, and a large number of them read them. So I hope that you find that we provide useful information, and like I say, if you've got any questions, please do get in touch. We're always happy to help. Thanks so much. Again, Stu Hill here from Chem Digital. Thanks for watching.